Hello YouTube, I'm gonna do a quick unpacking here. I just ordered this for one of my cars and it's a backup camera from Amazon. Let me see here what we got in this package. Okay. So this is the way it's of course made in China. You guys can see there. I have a real first name model car. This is the way it comes. So let's unpack it. See what we got here. So let's see how this goes. Oh, this way. Okay. All right. So this is what you get when you get the package. You got some masking tape right there. You get for connections for the cable. You get the actual camera. It goes in the back of the car. This is the cables that they connect to. So got decent LEDs right there for when you're backing up. And you got this long cable supposed to get from front to back. And you have two connections here for the camera and three in the front. You get another, this is the one that goes connected to the cigarette lighter, to the camera, right there. And there's another connection here. This must be for somewhere else. And this is a tool to move your trim on the car. And you got some zip ties in white. And this is the actual owner's manual, user manual. The user manual right here is CAZMKT002. Let's give you a quick graphic how the connection works. Okay. The design on the rear of the camera. I think I paid for this camera like $60 for backup camera. This goes in the mirror. So basically, this is the whole instruction here, right there. And this is showing connections, how it goes in the car, and everything in the instructions right there. Okay, so this is instructions, and this is the actual camera. Okay, so this connects to the mirror. So you see here, you can push this down. You have a spring, and then get tied to your mirror, to your current mirror, and then you got your three cables here, as you guys can see. The three cables. Okay. This is the front of the mirror. So I think that the mirror should be like this, or it should be like this. Most people put it like this, but that's it. This is the camera. So it's supposed to be a square here, which is going to show the camera. Okay, so this is just the quick unpacking. I'm going to do a follow-up video showing how good the camera looks and everything. Okay, again, subscribe, like, make any suggestions, whatever I can get my hands on. That's what I do, reviews. So whatever I purchase, I don't get sent anything. I just buy things from Amazon and then I do a quick review. Again, subscribe, like, make any suggestions.